Hi guys, this is my illusion twist tutorial. It's one of my favorite moves and one of the moves I'm best at, so hopefully I can help you get it too. Now, you should be able to do an aerial very comfortably, so at any time you can just blast out an aerial, and you should be able to do a backside 7. And if you've done the introduction program, then you'll have both of those tricks. So you don't need to be too high level to be able to be attempting this move. So this is step 1 of the illusion twist. You're going to stand with your legs over shoulder width apart, so about this wide. Turn your feet so you're facing that way. And what we're going to do is jump, look over your left shoulder, and you're just going to kick with your left leg to do an outside crescent. Arms in, cross your chest, look over your shoulder, kick. So that's the first step. Practice it until you can do it really easily and you have no problem doing it. Make sure your head doesn't drop at any point, and make sure you're taking off 2 legs. I see a lot of people try this and end up taking off like this. So you want to go off 2 feet, feet start facing that way, arms in the whole time, head up the whole time. So for step 2, you're going to do the exact same thing, start off feet facing that way, but this time, as you kick across, you're going to tense your butt really hard and land on 2 feet. So what tensing your butt's going to do is lock out your hips, so you're stuck in this position. So as that leg's coming across, tense, that's going to put you in that position to land. So in your takeoff position, you're going to pull your arms across your chest, keep your head up, land on 2 feet. Make sure you practice a lot of these, get them really comfortable. If you're landing a bit short, or if you're landing one leg at a time, so like right, left, then keep practicing it until you can land on 2 feet. Once you've got that step comfortable, we're going to move on to your third step, which is a takeoff. So we're going to do a butterfly kick takeoff. Now, the reason I said you should be good at aerial is you should be good enough at butterfly kicks that you can do aerial before you attempt this move. What you're going to do, just like a butterfly kick, swing your arms across, look behind you, and kick your right leg. So that's going to be your takeoff. As you leave the ground, this is the important bit, as you leave the ground, look over your left shoulder and spot where you're kicking. So your right leg's coming up and you're looking over your shoulder. What that's going to do, by spotting that point the whole way through, is going to make sure that you don't flip. It's going to stop you from just doing a butterfly twist. So you swing all the way across, kick back, look over your shoulder. And when you can see your target, then you've just got to do the exact same thing you did in step 2. Bring your left leg across, lock out your hips, and land on 2 feet. So I'll show you a slow one, swing all the way across, kick back, look up, land on 2 feet. And that's an illusion twist. Make sure you put a lot of time into each step to get it right. Film yourself, watch what you're doing, try and work out what's going wrong. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you get illusion twists. Good luck, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for new videos every single week. And if you want access to over 400 videos like this made to help you progress faster in tricking, check out kojostricklab.com. There's a link in the description below. So yeah, check that out. We post 24 new videos per month. There's just a lot on there. Go onto the site and you can have a look and see all of the videos that we've got before signing up.